Hey, it's Andre. It's time for another Friday flying update. Edgewater stuff. Smooth. Yeah, was the Legacy plane, the Founders plane showed up earlier this week, and all the other little perks. Yes, I did fund the Flight Test Edgewater Air Park initiative, and I'm super stoked. Coin, hat, t-shirt, Legacy plane, and you know what? I had compliments, man. They look at that landing gear, so that's pretty cool. That'll be nice. I'm gonna do a C pack with a 40 amp, so I'm probably gonna steal parts from my C duck, which is showing its age after many years of use. Actually, I haven't flown it in a long time. It's hanging on a wall in the back storage room and takes up a magnificent amount of space because it doesn't break down. Where this airplane, the wing will come off, which means I can store it a little nicer, kind of like the FT Simple Cub. Working away on a bunch of projects, and yes, I flew the FLEXJET. That was awesome, terrifying all at the same time. Fantastic aircraft. I'm going to keep flying that and going to keep pushing to fly all my other EDFs. Not sure about this weekend. The winds are going to be up, temperatures are up as well, and it's who knows. So I'm going to work on that. I have tons of build projects, all those beautiful wings. Of course, I want to do A10 V2. I was playing around. Tim. Imagine that on the front of the A10. That's where that's going to go. So that'll be interesting. Again, I'm going to go with the smaller Pringle can size, and that should help the efficiency on the EDFs even more, and utilize that 2-inch or 50 millimeter opening versus the 64 on the larger end, and that should increase the efficiency even more and have a lot of punch. So fingers crossed the V2 handles. Nothing wrong with the V1. I will correct where it cracked on the fuselage and everything, and then when I build it, we'll take that into consideration. So I'm also thinking about 3D printing some stuff, or starting to design stuff, particularly for this. Think about the exit and making this whole assembly very much like something like the free wing design, where you can access the top and get into the EDFs and everything, and then I can really design the ducts and all this stuff. But that's a lot of design work, I think. So slow, but that's my plan right now, just to learn and do more and build more and have some fun and get back into scratch building. I really enjoyed the A10, but at the same time, those jets, free wing, come on guys. Did you see the 626? Oh my, now that's the right color for that airplane. The gray was like, no, I don't mean me and dark, blue-gray kind of airplanes don't mix. But the green, that looked nice. I tell you, if that airplane had been available in July and I could have ordered it and had it waiting for me for Flight Fest, bang, the FLEXJET wouldn't have had a chance, but that's the way things go. So who knows? I may look at that airplane for later in the year, or I may stop buying brand new jets for a while and focusing on all my other projects. And there's a Spitfire, a 3D printed Spitfire, pieces kicking all around it in this room, waiting for me to, finish it off and build it and fly it. So got lots going into the fall. The season really is just getting started. I mean, things like PT-17, I've only flown that a couple times. I got to check CG, and same deal with the Commander. That Commander is now a year old, and I've only put a couple of flights through it. So it's time to get cracking and have some fun and enjoy those airplanes. So it's the Canadian long weekend, Civic long weekend here in Ontario at least. So Monday I am off. So if the weather cooperates throughout the weekend, I'm going flying. We do have a podcast on Sunday, and that will be with Pilot Ryan and Captain Mike, who do a lot of flying for Motion RC. So we're going to look forward to sitting down and chatting with them and talk about how they got into the hobby and everything. So there we go. A real quick one for Friday. Enjoy the footage. Thanks for all the comments and kudos on the flying of the FLEXJET. I assure you, the nerves were real. I'm Andre. Have a fantastic weekend.